Yo, what's up everyone? Let's talk about money, specifically, the kind you can get for doing absolutely nothing. Well, almost nothing. We're talking about Chime and that juicy rumor floating around that you can score a cool $200 just for signing up. Is it legit? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Free money? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it kind of is. But let's break it down. There's a lot of buzz around Chime these days. You've probably seen those ads, promising easy money, no fees, and a life of financial freedom. It sounds like a dream come true, but is it reality? Let's start with what Chime actually is. It's a financial technology company, not a traditional bank. They offer checking accounts, savings accounts, and a debit card. Their big selling point is that they don't charge monthly fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balance fees. It's a pretty sweet deal if you're tired of those pesky bank charges. But back to the main event, the $200. Is it real? Well, kind of. Chime does offer a bonus, but it's not a flat $200 for everyone. Here's the deal, you can earn up to $100. Yes, you read that right, up to. To qualify, you need to open a Chime checking account and set up a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more within your first 45 days of account opening. It's important to note that this offer can change, so always check Chime's website for the most up-to-date information. And remember, this isn't a guaranteed $100. You've got to meet those requirements. So, while it's not exactly the $200 windfall some people might be hoping for, it's still a decent bonus. And let's be real, who doesn't love a little extra cash? Plus, Chime does offer some other perks like early direct deposit and fee-free overdraft protection. But before you rush to sign up, let's talk about some potential downsides. While Chime doesn't charge monthly fees, they do make money. How? Well, they partner with Visa, so they get a cut of every transaction you make. Also, keep in mind that Chime isn't FDIC insured like traditional banks. It's insured by the Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank, but it's still something to consider. So, should you sign up for Chime? Well, that depends on your financial situation and priorities. If you're looking to save money on bank fees and don't mind the potential trade-offs, it could be a good option. But if you need the security of a traditional bank, you might want to stick with what you know. And remember, there are other online banks out there offering similar perks and bonuses. It's always a good idea to compare your options before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.